Hi. Sonny, what do you think? Yeah. Want to hear us talking?
He's like that.
That's right. Want to have fun, Sonny? Sonny? Yeah. Uh-huh.
Hey, Sonny.
Come on. Oh.
He got you.
Yeah. Who is it? You are such a silly little boy. Sonny, you're silly.
Okay.
Yeah. And that's it. You're just silly. Is that funny? Sonny, are you funny? Yeah. Yep. Yeah. Sonny, what do you think? Okay. Are you a smart bird? Okay. Sonny, did you know that you have a big corn? Corn.
Yes.
You have a candy corn for a nose. Did you know that? Yeah. I don't know what you're doing, but you look really into it. Can I pet you? Sonny, can I pet you? Yeah. Oh. Uh-oh, uh-oh, uh-oh.
Okay.
Yeah, I'm not gonna grab him there.
Okay.
I hope
You're
he didn't.
okay.
I hope he didn't bite you.
Okay. You're okay, Sonny. You're okay. We're okay.
Hi,
Yeah.
Sonny.
Yeah,
You
that
all
was
right?
scary, huh?
Here, come here. You
You're
okay?
You're okay.
You grabbed Daddy in an obscene place. Yeah. That could have ended badly. Could have become a mommy. Sonny, are you a good boy? Sonny, are you a good... You're nervous? Sonny, are you nervous? You're a funny little boy. Hi.
Cool.
Yeah, it is cool. Yeah. Wow. I know. You're absolutely fascinating. Did you know that? You know?
That taste.
Peekaboo. Sonny.
Hey, pretty bird.
Peekaboo. Peekaboo.
Dig deep into that repertoire. I see you.
Hello.
Hello.
Sonny, hi. Can you say? I want some rewards, yes. Are they from Safeway? Sunday. That's a day named after you. Sunny. Sunny Sunday. I know. Sunny.
I'd say
Like
green.
this.
Right? Alan's getting the pressure in. And he likes moving on up.
Wait. Come on. Here, can I hold you? Oh. Okay, that's enough. Well, he's not really biting though.
Okay.
He's just like holding on. Yeah. Here you go. Come on. Uh-oh.
Oh.
You're okay.
We're okay.
Are we back? We back in
we're
business?
okay.
Are we
good.
back? You cuddled me. I know. Yeah. You're an awesome bird, huh? Are you really cool? What Sunny was? You look hairy. I know. It's funny, isn't it? Give me a kiss.
That's the one where...
That's the one where... Are you going to tell me a joke?
Hello.
Oh, there it is.
Yep. Here. Here you go. Hi. By the way. Oh, you are licking. Yeah, you're licking me. Sonny, what do you say?
Sunny.
Yeah, that's you. Come on, step up. Oh, please don't grab the knuckles. Why do birds grab the knuckles? Okay, we'll do it this way. Come on. Uh-oh. No. Don't fall. Come on, step up.
There we go.
Good boy. Now you're facing the wrong direction. You're such a beautiful boy. Huh. Are you beautiful?
Hello.
Hello. Sonny? Yeah. Now here, turn around. There you go. Okay. Is it time for bed yet? Come on. So we're making progress today, huh?
Oh, yeah.
Because last time I met you, you didn't even want to come out of the cage. But you did want to be part of the conversation, huh? And today, you're climbing all over me. And kissing like crazy. You sing I'm blabbing too much. Okay, are you ready for bed? Uh-oh, don't fall. Okay, don't bite me because you tripped. You ready for bed?
Is this sleepy time?
Yeah. Hey, can you say goodbye?
Good night, Sunny.
Can you say good night?
Good night, Sunny.
Sunny? Who is it?
You're doing a good job.
Oy vey? You have a Jewish bird. Oy vey. Sunny, how about this? Meshugana. Meshugana. No? What do you think of that?
That's the one where...
That's
The matzah one, we're out.
The matzah one, we're out.
The matzah one,
Okay.
we're out.
Yeah.
Uh-oh. Boop. Boop, boop. No biting. I'm going to boop you. No biting. Gentle. Good boy. You're gentle, huh? You don't really bite. Okay, say goodbye. Thank you.
Oh.